Saudi Arabia is desert, and now, here are 15 facts about how Saudi Arabia became rich. A good steps Saudi Arabia. 1. Oil discovery. Oil was discovered in Saudi Arabia in 1938, which changed everything. 2. Huge oil reserves. Saudi Arabia has one of the largest oil reserves in the world. 3. Oil exports. Selling oil to other countries made Saudi Arabia very wealthy. 4. Aramco Company. Saudi Aramco, the world's biggest oil company, helped grow the economy. 5. Unified Kingdom. King Abdulaziz united the country in 1932, creating Saudi Arabia. 6. OPEC membership. Saudi Arabia joined OPEC in 1960, a group that controls oil prices worldwide. 7. Modern cities. Oil money was used to build modern cities, roads, and airports. 8. Riyadh's growth. Riyadh, the capital, grew from a desert village to a big modern city. 9. Pilgrimage. Income. Millions of Muslims visit Mecca and Medina every year, adding to the economy. 10. Vision 2030. Saudi Arabia is planning for the future by diversifying its economy beyond oil. 11. Neom City. A new futuristic city called Neom is being built to attract investments. 12. Cultural changes. Saudi Arabia now has cinemas, concerts, and more freedom for women. 13. Renewable energy. The country is investing in solar and wind energy. 14. Wealth Fund. Saudi Arabia invests in businesses around the world through its public investment fund. 15. Strong economy. Thanks to oil and smart planning, Saudi Arabia became one of the richest countries. My first vlogs on Saudi Arabia. It's very nice to me and one of the culture country. And there is so many things that they attract me really. It's unbelievable. I can't forget to stay, and their citizens give me more care and love. If you like my video, for more subscribe my channel.